For most buyers, applying for a loan can present significant challenges, especially for someone looking to purchase their first home. Understanding what lenders look for requires new thinking. Beloved, let's understand financing. Now, when lenders assess a home loan application, they consider a number of critical factors: borrower credit scores, debt-to-income ratios, and something called your net worth. In order to calculate your net worth, a lender simply subtracts all the debts you owe from your accumulated assets. Those pesky numbers at the bottom of your credit card and student loan documents that never seem to shrink. Here's a piece of advice: stop focusing so much attention on what you owe. I want you to understand the importance of understanding what you have, your assets. In the most basic terms, assets are things that you own with monetary value regarded to meet debts or commitments. Those are usually grouped into three broad umbrella categories: cash, cash equivalents, and other property. What do all of those categories mean? Stick with me. Cash is everything you have that is considered liquid. This should be familiar to most people as the money in their checking and saving accounts. A cash equivalent might include something like a certificate of deposit or CD, or a money market account. Physical assets are a little more complicated. These are things you could sell for money if needed. Falling into this category would include a house, car, jewelry, art, or a boat. Remember this important fact: if you're going to use a physical asset to qualify for a loan, you need to sell it first. Non-physical assets are valuable accounts that are not liquid. A savings account you can draw from anytime you walk into the bank, whereas your IRA or stock portfolio securities account are not. What matters most in the eye of a lender? Cash and cash equivalents are by far the most important. Now, why is that? Because a borrower can access the money to pay their mortgage quickly. Remember that when you list an asset on a mortgage application, your lender goes through the process of verifying them to make sure everything, including the value, is accurate. Your assets need to be traceable and verifiable. Feeling overwhelmed? Talk with your financial professional who can help review your portfolio and point out any red flags that might stand between you and your approval you're looking for. I'm Youssef, your local Seattle realtor serving the Puget Sound region, and this was The Walkthrough.